and we actually increased the height on the rears. Got about a 1 finger gap here because I was rubbing, if you can see, like that little faint lighter black strip was rubbing on the inside of the fender liner. Should be good now though. I don't think I'm rubbing at all, so fitment still looks good. What's good, guys? Thanks for tuning in, man. Another day in the books. Work was busy today. It's hot as hell in Washington right now. Just so busy, dude. Gotta remind myself to get out and enjoy life, enjoy the whip. It's been almost, well, a little over 2 years now that I've had this car. So, crazy, man. Time flies. It's still as fun as ever. Open the valves up. Really been trying to settle in with all these changes going on in my life, get back to what I love doing, which is making videos and just making content, dude, around this car, building the community on YouTube, and just enjoying life, bro. It's really easy to get wrapped up in all the different changes life throws at you. So took a little step away from YouTube and thought I was back in it, then I wasn't, and then I was, and I wasn't. So it's like, just gotta try and be more consistent in life. One thing I really want to work towards is a new camera setup. So ideally, maybe like try out like a suction cup on the rear quarter panel window, something like that. So let this dude get over because he's gonna crash if he doesn't. Alright, yeah, I'm not gonna be riding behind this guy though. Probably illegal, but I don't care. It's one thing I can't do is stay behind cyclists. But anyways, one thing I really want to do coming up is make some changes to the camera audio setup I have. Really just take advantage of the sound of this car. Try and get you guys as much sound as I can. Let you hear it, feel it. The GoPro microphone really only does so much, you know? Like, I'm happy with the setup I have now, but I think I'm looking forward to trying some new things out. Come up with some fresh ideas. So, stay tuned. move it down to closer to Mount Rainier, a little city called Bonnie Lake. So hopefully a lot better roads. I've heard good things about the roads there, and my advisor at BMW Bellevue, actually, he lives in Bonnie Lake, and he said there's some good shots, good places to shoot pictures and videos, and it's right next to Mount Rainier, so good scenery, mountain air. Overall, just a really cool spot. I love that area of Washington. So ideally less traffic than the city, a lot less than in downtown where I'm at now, obviously. So it'll be fun, man. Good change. A good change and new roads to drive. So I'm excited to take you guys with me. I'm excited to continue this journey of this channel, my other socials, and just see kind of where life takes us, what cars we'll drive in the future. You never know, man. You just got to put your head down and work hard, and opportunities will come up for you. Just never turn down an opportunity that's given to you. That's my main advice, I think, is there's been, over the last few years, a lot of opportunities that came my way, and not once have I turned those opportunities down. Now, obviously, within reason, like, you want to choose the best opportunity that comes your way, but if a door opens, dude, walk through it. Level up. So we lowered the coilovers a little bit. Got about a 1 finger gap on the front, and we actually increased the height on the rears. Got about a 1 finger gap here because I was rubbing, if you can see, like that little faint lighter black strip was rubbing on the inside of the fender liner. Should be good now though. I don't think I'm rubbing at all, so fitment still looks good. Really glad I ended up going with a titanium skid plate underneath. I know that some people go with aluminum, both good options. Strong metal rather than the rubber or plastic that it comes with. My buddy actually just made me these sick little valve covers, valve stem covers for the tires. Looks sick, matches the blue. I like them. I also got the Dynan covers as well, so we'll probably switch back and forth. Dynans match the brushed silver look of the wheels. So, but yeah, man, appreciate you watching as always. Stay tuned for some new videos, hopefully some fresh ideas, some new creations, and that's all, man.